Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're pronouncing the name of a beautiful flower that is commonly found in meadows and woodlands across Eastern Europe and Asia. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Crocus Speciosus, Crocus Speciosus, Crocus Speciosus, Crocus Speciosus. This charming autumn-blooming crocus dazzles with its vibrant violet-blue petals, adding a touch of color to landscapes, just as other flowers begin to fade. You can check out other videos for more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and share more words you'd like us to pronounce in the comments below. See you next time.